Hello, I'm Koloskov, founder of Photigy. If you want to learn product photography, you come to the right place. I'm 100% confident that we can teach you the skills you need for a successful career as commercial product photographer. Let me tell you why. The first thing is that we have many years of practical experience. I was a professional photographer for about 14 years, and I went on to teach product photography with my wife, Zhenya Larionova, for about 10 years. Over this time, we improved and perfected our teaching methods. So we learned the most effective ways to teach product photography. But you don't need to take my word for it. There are dozens of Photigy students who are currently making a successful living as commercial product photographers. Why are students so successful? Well, first, we teach techniques that you won't find at other online schools. We know the most effective techniques, but we also know secrets and shortcuts that you won't find in other online courses. Secondly, our lessons are practical and easy to follow. Some online courses can be overly long and too much detailed. At Photigy, we get right down to the practical methods. And we not only show you the right way, but we also show you what can go wrong, which is as important as a learning tool. And finally, but most importantly, what really sets us apart is that we give you a personalized experience. This is not just access to a content. We provide true online learning. You will interact directly with our instructors as you proceed through the course. You will have assignments to complete, and we'll give you feedback along the way, including critiques of your images. You will get everything you need to succeed. And to show you how confident we are in our program and our students, once you have completed the course, we actually promote you in our online marketplace to help you to get clients and launch your product photography business. So, welcome to Photigy. I'm looking forward to working with you.